Good night, Miss. Composition of the general budget of the nation spending on defense and national security of Colombia. It schedules 1. Defense and security. 2. Budget of Colombia. First, defense and security. In developing the defense and security policy for legacy entrepreneurships and equity which seek the extended and legitimate state action, the government of Colombia has increased the investment budget in defense by 2021 budget of Colombia. The Colombian Ministry of Defense have present for 2021 amount to $10 billion. Of the total budget is 97% will be allocated to operating spend on military firms. Thank you, Miss.